Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs disappearing by 2028. Not tomorrow, not next decade. 2028. McKinsey found 44% of white-collar work is automatable right now. Claude and GPT-4 are already doing legal research faster than Harvard graduates. Microsoft fired 1,000 workers last month. Replaced them with AI automation teams instead. Your job title matters less than your adaptability now. Goldman estimates 18% of global work gets wiped out in 7 years. That is 300 million salaries gone. One company just automated their entire customer service department. 247 people, 1 month. Cost them nothing compared to payroll. You are not protected by your degree anymore. Your email inbox, your spreadsheets, your reports. All of it gets automated by 2025. The gap between AI native workers and everyone else becomes uncrossable. Your salary depends on one question now. Can a machine do what you do faster? Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.